In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Drive not opening, not working on laptop/Windows. By the end, you'll be able to get Google Drive to load properly on your Windows laptop by following a clear set of browser troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. On your Windows taskbar, click the network or Wi-Fi icon and make sure you're connected to a network with internet access. To confirm it's working, open a new browser tab and load a reliable site like Microsoft.com or Wikipedia.org. If that page loads quickly, your connection is fine and we can move on. If it doesn't, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or switch networks, then try Google Drive again. Next, refresh the page or restart your browser. Go to your Google Drive tab and click the refresh button or press Ctrl+R. If Drive still doesn't open, I close the browser completely. On Windows, make sure all browser windows are closed, then reopen the browser. In the address bar, type drive.google.com and press enter. If it loads now, you're done. If not, continue. Now, try another browser. If you're using Chrome, open Microsoft Edge or Firefox. In the new browser, go to drive.google.com and sign in if prompted. This checks whether the issue is browser specific. If Drive opens here, the problem is likely with settings or add-ons in your original browser. Keep watching to fix that. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. I'll show this in Chrome, and the steps are similar in Edge. Click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Set time range to all time. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can leave browsing history unchecked if you prefer. Click Clear Data and wait for it to finish. Clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites. That's normal. Once that's done, close and reopen the browser, then go back to drive.google.com and sign in. Try opening a few folders or files to confirm it's working. Now, disable extensions, especially AdBlock or VPN. In Chrome, click the puzzle icon or the three dots, then Extensions and Open Manage Extensions. Toggle off any ad blockers, privacy tools, antivirus extensions, download managers, or VPN/proxy extensions. This is temporary and safe. You can turn them back on later. Return to the Drive tab and refresh. If Google Drive opens after disabling an extension, you found the conflict. Turn extensions back on one by one, refreshing Drive each time, and until you identify the one causing the issue. Leave that one off while using Drive or replace it with an alternative later. Next, update your browser. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. The browser will check for updates and install them automatically. If you see an update in progress, wait for it to complete, then click Relaunch when prompted. In Edge, go to the three dots, Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge to update. After the browser restarts, open drive.google.com again and test. Updates often fix compatibility problems that can stop Google Drive from opening. Finally, open Google Drive in incognito mode. In Chrome, click the three dots and choose New Incognito window, or press Ctrl+Shift+N. In the incognito window, go to drive.google.com and sign in. Incognito runs without most extensions and uses a clean session, which helps confirm if a cookie, cache, or extension was the cause. If Drive works in incognito but not in your normal window, keep extensions you don't need disabled and consider clearing site data for Drive again in the regular window. At this point, Google Drive should open and work correctly on your Windows laptop. If you followed each step in order, you've covered the common causes, from connection issues to browser cache, extensions, updates, and a clean incognito session. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.